Hi, I'm Alzak from YourStoryz, and I'm going to walk you through the YourStoryz app and show you all of the features it has to offer. So the first step you should do before even opening the app is customize your appearance so that it aligns with your own brand style. To do this, you go on browser onto your YourStoryz dashboard, and here you can change your logo, your colors of your graphics, the lower third, the title, and then it's ready to go in the app. Now here in the app, you can see the difference between my two company settings. Now let's make a video. Start the app and then choose which channel it'll go on, personal or your company channel, and then select your videos. Now in the editor, you can of course edit your video. So I want to rearrange my video, so I will select one video and then move it to where I want it to go. To activate the editing function, press on your desired clip and then press this button to edit. To trim, move the arrows on the left and right to choose your start and end points. Back on the main editor page, you can see what changes I've applied. And here you can actually edit the filter by pressing here, or you can delete the filter. Now let's add a title. So you can type your title and then change the font, color, size, and then place it wherever you want on your video. You can change the start time, how long it lasts, and its opacity. And here I'm actually going to toggle off the lower third. But as you can see, in the same overlays tab, you can add a lower third. And just like the title, you can change the duration, the time, and its opacity. Another feature that you can add are transitions. And here you can decide if it's black or white, its duration, and when it starts. A special feature on the YourStoryz app is the ability to add a voiceover. Press the voiceover button, record what you want to say, and then it'll be added to your clip. Ready to feast on a delicious salmon pasta. And let's hear that back. Ready to feast on a delicious salmon pasta. And then here I'm able to adjust the voiceover volume and the volume of the source video. Videos can also be muted here with this button. However, I actually want the natural sounds of the video, so I'll delete that filter. When you're happy with your final video, you can go onto the publishing page and add all of the necessary details. So what is it called and what's it about? Having a description makes your video easily indexed by search engines. And here you can also choose what kind of video it is. And then you're ready to finally publish your video from the app. So that means you can go from here and it'll be posted on any social media channel, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so on. It can also be published from the app into your website, your news system, your MAM/PAM, or even your ingest tools. So now that you know how to use the YourStoryz app, try it for yourself and download it from Google Play Store and the App Store. And we are really looking forward to seeing your stories that you make with YourStoryz.